Hey guys, we're here again today, Hard Racing, going on our rigid What's Inside the Box series. And today we have the Raptor 6-pod fog light kit. As you can see, you get 6 separate pods, 3 of each flavor. You've got SAEs, you've got Pro Spots, and you've got Pro Driving. So basically, all 6 of them go in the bumper like you see here. You get brackets for each individual pod, 6 brackets total. You get all your stainless steel hardware kit. You get these 2 monster laser cut brackets that go in each side of the bumper, and then these U brackets mount to the lights, which then mount to that bracket. So 2 of these, 1 on each side, and then you get 3 lights each will mount to that bracket. And then you get a wire harness for each set of lights with an LED toggle switch and a fuse. So basically you'll have 3 LED toggle switches that you can turn on and control each set of different type of lights. So again, obviously if you want them all on, you turn them all on. If you only want 1 or 2 of them, but you have full control over the whole setup. It's all OEM fit for the 17 through 18 Raptor. And this is everything that is included with the kit. This is one of our most popular kits, and so we were really excited to do the video to show you exactly what comes in it. But basically, this is everything you need to mount this thing on your Raptor. If you enjoyed our video, please go ahead and click the subscribe button to help support the channel. We really appreciate it, and click the bell icon to get notified for future videos. Comments or questions, please leave them below. We'd love to hear from you, good or bad. Just let us know what you think, other videos you'd like us to make. And of course, if you're interested in this product, please send us an email. We have coupon codes to help you out, give you discounts, and you can call us at any time or check out our website at hardracing.com.